Hashtag YouTube short video. Let's get it, guys. '04 Jeep Liberty. All right, y'all see what it is. Towed in, guys. Yes, will not drive, will not move. Look at here, guys. Ball joint has come apart. All right, now you can obviously see what repairs I will need. My preliminary estimate I wrote up: lower control arm and an upper control arm. It should come with a ball joint, but the challenge I would be faced with is how to get it in the shop. Do anybody out there have any suggestions? I cannot drive it in, obviously, right? No. Tow truck, maybe that's a possibility. I don't know. That's why I'm on here trying to get suggestion. Can I jack this up maybe? And can I put it on out here maybe? Who knows? You DIY guys, I'm sure y'all been faced with this situation. What was y'all conclusion? What did y'all do? All right, mind you, I am not that kind of technician. I hate working on the ground. All right, so anybody got any suggestions, let me know. In fact, find out how I got it in the shop, man. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the full video. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I had to take matters into my own hand. Now I got it off the ground, guys. Let me see. Y'all see what I got here? But I don't think that's gonna see. This machine is able to pick up. So, but it's, y'all see how it's tilting? So I'm gonna see, because if it let go, the car just gonna fall on the bed. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna let it down, see if I can get a better bite than that. All right, hold tight. All right, got it down. I got it positioned like that. So I'm gonna see if I pick up, when I pick up, how much turning it's gonna do. I also had to make sure I clear. I actually can go up a little bit more. I don't want to scratch the bump up, but that may do it. So I'm gonna have to go get a helper now. All right, y'all, hold tight. I gotta pull it in the shop. All right, slowly go up. Yeah, come on up. Come on. No, it ain't, is it? Nah. Come on up, we good. Both wheels off the ground. Hold on, let's see. We got to pull this. Oh, you off. You off. That's how I know. Come down a little bit. All right, right there. All right, we got to go in reverse and pull this sucker in. It ain't fall, we just have to start over. Huh? I'll tell you, you want to drive? No, you drive. Well, man, it's nothing. We're not, nobody won't need nobody to steer. You doing all the steering. Actually, ain't nobody even got to get in. Let me take the emergency brake off. So you want me to reverse this thing? Yeah, all the way into the shop. Alright. See how much it's going to hold it on to. Like, what you mean? Bro, alright. I mean, what? Hold on to what? Like, bro, look. You can't pull this thing up the hill. Yeah, because when we get to that heel part is when it's gonna yeah, it might take this whole thing out. That might be a good enough bite to where the look, we can do this. We can pull it out and then set it down, let it roll, whatever. No, ain't no roll. The wheel is off. Which wheel is off? That wheel fell off. This wheel? Yeah. And it don't. No, the ball joint broke. So it don't roll. No, that wheel is not even on the knuckle. It seems pretty sturdy right now. It's not bolted to the knuckle, man. Yeah, you look down there, that whole ball, oh, God. Yeah, that whole ball joint broke. So pull it out? I don't know, you might be right. It might not work. Because when we get to that heel, then we really going to be pulling. Yeah. Unless I'm do this sucker right there in Kirk style. Well, that's still a little heel, ain't it? Alright, we got to try. Alrighty, guys. As you can see, that was a bad idea. A very bad idea. All right, so I'll just take matters into my own hand. I'm gonna try to take this knuckle off. I didn't realize. Now I'm really a big fan of Milwaukee. I didn't realize Milwaukee can pull this off as far as these, you know, tight bolts and nuts and stuff like that. I know it's a high-powered electric drill, but yes, it's very powerful. So this is already hanging, guys. Remember, the ball joint is broke, so I'm gonna take this tie rod off, take it out from here, take this caliber off, and I might take the knuckle inside. Well, the bearing is pressed inside of the lower control arm. I'll find out once I get to where I need to be, because I have no idea where I'm going with this. I just know I need to get it off out here because I have no way to push it inside, and I got to get the job done because I just need to get the job done quick. All right, so y'all stay tuned, man. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. Guys, I'm running out of options here, okay? So I may have to just resort to doing the thing I hate to do, and that's work outside on the ground, especially doing suspension work. So let me set up. I'm gonna try to at least get this knuckle off so I can I don't know. Let's see. Because I'm gonna try to get the knuckle off. Once I get the knuckle off, I can go a little further. My goal is to just be able to get a wheel on here so I can drive it in the shop. See, right now I went and got my hammer or something and bang right there. That should drop. The tie rod should come off, and I'm already loose. Yeah, the ball joint is broken, so I'm gonna take the caliper off. I'm gonna take the knuckle inside. Problem I'm gonna have is well, that's not really a problem. I'm gonna hook that, and this control arm look fairly easy. I can do on the ground, guys. So I might be all right. I might be whining for no reason, guys. I just hate doing this, but when you got to do what you got to do when you're running out of options, it'll be a week. It'll be a Monday before a tow truck can get in. I need this done. The end of the month is Monday. Let me set up some stuff, guys. See if I can get all this off. What I just mentioned. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, go figure. I forgot my damn pliers. Left them in the shop. Alright, so I'm going to have to go get my pliers so I can unhook this and bring this out of here. And then I can just, this knuckle is free. So from there, guys, all I need to do, man, this may work out. All I need to do, because this is what I'm chasing. I got a whole new control arm, but I got to get this in the, I don't even need to touch this. I'm replacing this. The ball joint is pressed inside the knuckle. But I got to get the lower control arm out. And this is fairly easy, guys. Look. Yes, this may work out. This is not so bad after all. What all I have left? Just banging this out. Now, will this strut drop? I don't know. Let's see. Should have no problem getting that out. How much problem would I have getting? Okay, even that shouldn't be a problem. Working outside, not so bad. I think I'm just spoiled. Yeah, I have to go back in, make another tool run at the back in the shop. So I'm just gonna look at that. So I'm glad I got a new. Upper control arm. Now that comes with ball joints, guys. All right, so let me go back in the shop with some pliers, a punch to punch this out and to punch this out. What size? Hold tight. Nope. Yes. What, 15, 16, yes. So, I did bring my breaker bar. Now, I will be affected. Well, I'm going to have to do an alignment anyway, guys. This is my camera adjustments right here. That is too strong for your boy. That's why I'm glad I brought my tool. Oh, I thought I did. All right, I'm going to have to go make another tool run. All right, y'all. We're going to pull this off, though. Hold tight. I'll be right back. I just left out of the shop to grab some more tools. Y'all know I put out a shorts video on this problem, right? Just to tell what I'm up against and ask for a suggestion. I was reading the comments. My man, Mike P. I am not a pro, so I would do it right there on the pavement. All right, Mike. That's what's up, man. Billy Billy, I would swap that arm there and drive it in for the rest. Or wheel dolly under that wheel and put a strap around the knuckle. Good idea, man. But the only problem with that is, we don't have a dolly. I don't think. No, we don't have a dolly. Rick K, I have done ball joints in the driveway, but it sucks. You could put it on a wheel dolly and roll it. Yeah, the wheel dolly is out of the option. We got a pusher, but I got to be on some wheels to do that. So I'm gonna try something else real quick, guys. Y'all, hold tight. Woo! Y'all see that? Okay, so doing this stuff outside on the ground is not so bad. I mean, it's bad. I couldn't see doing it. Oh my goodness, this was driving me cuckoo. So guys, I have accomplished what I set out to do. Like I said, I got a new lower control arm. I don't even need this piece no more. I can just throw this whole thing away because the ball joint, well, I may need this nut if it didn't. I think my new ball joint come with nuts. But I'm not gonna do this until I get in the shop. I don't know, guys. I think if you do lower ball joint, you should go ahead and do upper. If you can't, if this is included in the control arm, might as well just get the control arm. I mean, this car has a lot of miles on it, but my mission here is done. Once I get this wheel on here, I can now, look at that. Yes! I can now drive this in the shop, guys. Whew. Oh, wow. So, for now, I don't care about that. For now, I don't want to leave gas. Never leave a caliper hanging like that. I'm going to set that up to where it'll sit still. And we got to get this knuckle. I'm about to take this knuckle in the shop, bang out the rest of this broken ball joint, and just press in a new one. All right? Y'all stay tuned, man. Alrighty, guys, we're back. Now, good news and bad news. Well, in my case, it's good news, okay? Well, at least it appears to be good news. I will be able to likely drive it in the shop. That is simply because I took the knuckle inside and pressed / bang the ball joint into here, and I have my new control arm. So I'm just gonna bolt all this back up temporarily. I ain't gonna try to make sure the connections are on point or none of that. The goal is to just be able to drive it into the shop. All right, so I'm not gonna film in there this part. Next time y'all see me, guys, we'll be in the shop, man. Yes, I ain't gotta worry about fighting that out or none of this foolishness. All right, so let me get to work putting this on, and I'll see y'all when we get back in the shop.